this programming example on interfaces, we want to create an interface named Turner with a single method named turn. The method is void and has no input parameters. To define the interface, we write public interface, and the name for the interface is Turner. And inside this interface, we are going to define a single method, public, and the return value is void, and the name of the method is turn. So this interface has only one abstract method. Save it. We will save it under the name turner.java. After creating the interface Turner, we want to create three classes that implements this interface. First, create a class named leaf that implements the method turn, and this method will display the message changing colors. Next, create another class called page that implements the same method turn, but this time it will display the message going to the next page. Finally, create a third class that is called pancake that also implements the turn method, but this method will display flipping. We have already saved the interface Turner under the name turner.java, and for leaf, page, and pancake classes, we will save them as leaf.java, page.java, pancake.java, respectively. For the leaf class, we need to create a new file, Ctrl-N, select Java, press OK. To define the class, we write public class, the name of the class leaf, and this implements the interface Turner. Now we need to provide the implementation for the method turn. It was defined as public void turn. And this method will simply print the message changing colors. So we write system.out.println changing colors. We need to save the file, save as, press save, and now it is saved under the name leaf.java. For the next class, page, we will simply copy the code for the leaf class, copy it, create a new file, Ctrl-N, Java, press OK, and here we paste the code, and we are going to change the name of the class from leaf to page, and we will change the code for the turn method because the method will print the message going to the next page. Save the file, save as, press save. Similarly, we are going to copy the code for this class definition. We are going to create a new file as Java file, and this time will be for the pancake class. Paste the code, but we will change the name of the class from page to pancake. So we will say pancake. This is the name of the class, and it also going to implement the interface Turner. We will change the message that the method Turner will display, and it will be flipping. Save the file, save as, save it. So we have now created three classes that implements the Turner interface, leaf, page, and pancake. In addition, we have the definition for the interface Turner. For a small demonstration showing how to create objects from the three classes that were implementing the Turner interface, we want to write an application named DemoTurners that creates one object of each of these class types and demonstrates the turn method for each class. To demonstrate the turn method for each class, simply you are going to call the method turn for each object. We will save this demo file as demoturners.java. We have already prepared the class for the demo program that is called DemoTurners and provided the main method. Inside the main method, we are going to create three objects. First will be created from the leaf class, and we are going to call it aLeaf. Second will be created from the page class, and we are going to call it aPage. Third, we are going to create it from the pancake class, and we are going to call it a pancake. Next, we are going to call the method turn that is defined inside each of these objects. A leaf dot turn, a page dot turn, a pancake dot turn. Since the implementation of each of these methods in these classes is different, then each method will display different message. So let us run the program to see the results. And as you can see that each method displayed different message. Now final note, if we go back to the interface definition turner.java, as you can see we did not provide the keyword abstract to the method inside the interface, because when the compiler sees the interface definition, it expects to see an abstract method. So now when we write abstract, it will not change the result. Now let us compile the class, go back to demo turner, run the program. As you can see, it is running without any problems. Therefore, writing abstract in an abstract method inside interface is optional. And this completes the implementation of our program.